Here's the truth nobody tells you when you start playing with AI. AI feels free in the playground until you start paying for tokens. And then suddenly your wallet starts screaming. People on Reddit posted bills where a weekend test project turned into hundreds of dollars overnight because every request went to the most expensive model. That's not a theory, it's common. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use AI without burning money like it's fireworks. Hi, I'm Krishna. This is day 27 of 30 days of understanding the modern AI stack. So, AI cost optimization isn't about being cheap. It's about being smart with how you build and scale your AI systems so they are actually usable in the real world. Let's be practical. LLM systems are built mostly by the number of tokens, the words and symbols you send to and get back from a model. The more tokens, the more you pay. That adds up quickly. Even companies have had to rethink AI workflows because of cost. For example, AT&T was using ChatGPT to process tens of millions of customer calls. It worked, but running the expensive model all the time took way too much compute. So they redesigned the system to use multiple models, handling easy calls with cheaper models, and only using the big ones when needed, reducing cost to about 35% of the original, while keeping accuracy high. So even giants optimize. You should too. Let's define model loading. Model loading means sending different requests to different models based on how hard the task is. Think of it like this: asking what's the weather, cheap is small model; asking write a legal contract, bigger model; asking summarize this 10 PDFs, medium model. This simple routing, like a traffic cop for models, can cut costs by 30 to 70% in real workflows. It's basically saying, don't use a Formula 1 car to go to the grocery store. Cost isn't just hypothetical, it's huge. According to multiple industry analysis, running LLMs on proprietary infrastructure without optimization can easily cost hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars per year for enterprise scale applications. That's why even AI startups and big companies optimize. They segment tasks into tiers, they cache repeated queries, they route smartly, they use smaller models where possible. Doing this isn't optional, it's survival, business survival. Okay, but what's caching? In simple terms, if someone already asked a question you saw before, don't ask the AI again. That's it. There's a research showing that a significant chunk of LLM traffic is repeated or highly similar queries. And semantic caching, caching based on meaning, not exact text, can serve those without calling the model again. This is the cheapest form of optimization. Sometimes you get answers instantly and save money. Another big cost leak is prompt size. Tokens aren't free. Sending long context, whole histories, and bloated system messages balloons cost fast. So you optimize by shortening prompts, removing irrelevant text, summarizing before sending, specifying length limits, asking for structured responses like JSON. All of these reduce the number of tokens processed, meaning you literally pay less. Here's another concept most people get wrong. Proprietary cloud is easy, but always costs token billing, while self-hosting shifts cost to compute but can be much cheaper long term if you have heavy usage. That's why some teams transition to open source models running on their own hardware or cloud VM, especially when usage makes cloud token bills too high. So let me say this plainly: using a big AI model for every tiny task is like buying a Ferrari tires for your kid's bicycle. It's unnecessary and expensive. Optimizing is not about being stingy, it's about being efficient and smart, especially when the bill arrives. So that's day 27. See you in the next video. Let's do it.